Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hopefully, you all are doing very well and you have watched all our previous videos and also applied our videos to your phones, different settings and different application softwares. When it comes to our videos, we have made videos on many offline apps and many online apps to make your life easy, to make your education easy, and also to make your social media interesting. So, we have another software application here, and that is Flow. You can see over here, and it is about writing something. So, let's start how to use it. First of all, you have to make an internet connection to your phone. Very first step is to make an assurity that you have an internet connection, then you are going to use this app. So if you want many other offline apps to write, then you can watch our different videos, but for that thing you have to subscribe our channel and to watch our previous and upcoming videos. Now it is saying hello to us. Click on the screen to take it back, and now start writing over here. It is like to make a drawing, and it is like to make something you want else. So first of all, you have to click on there was a button at the very bottom, and we have made a click over it to choose the pen here. We are going to choose or geometry or pencil color, paper pen, anything here. I have chosen a scale. You can also make geometry choosing a scale. You can also put the cutter here, you can also put the marker pointer here, and razor, then pen markers. I am choosing a green pen for this. It is having a beautiful nib. You can also choose the nib style over it, and that was looking beautiful, so I have chosen it. Now you can choose the color category of it. I am going to choose a blue green color that would not be full blue or don't would not be full green. So click on this add button to make it add here. Now you can see over here that it is added here many times. When it comes to remove it, then we are just going to click long press over it and go to the dustbin. So it is dustbin. Repeat the similar process, and as you have watched over here that we have made different pens deleted, but one is here. Choose it, and now you can write over here through it. I have made just a random sign over here, but if you want to use it with the specific functions, go to a scale marking. Have a scale marking over here. You can see that's a straight line, put it over the screen. You can also choose the different thing to put over here. It is like doodling geometry, and it had cut it the screen part where I have made it. So you can also look over here, click on it, and you can move the move whole of the part I have marked. Now just see, I can move it here, and I can put it to dustbin as well. So adjust it where you want to adjust it after making it clicked. Now you can see it is adjusted where I have made it. Now when it comes to the next pen, you can look over here that it is like a razor, and you can raise the pen over here. So I am going to make the screen white, almost white, and going to tell you that how you can make your doodles, make your addings subtracted from the screen. So next pen, try the next pens and try different colors over here. We are going to the top of the screen, and here we are having different options. First of all, go to three dots. It is asking you for different options like add image, cover, background, export. We are going to add image from our gallery. It is further giving you options to add from files, photo library, add from camera. We are going to choose a picture through photo library, and we have added a picture over here. Now you can also cut its one part, like I have cut it the red part from the video, sorry, the picture. And after scaling, you can doodle it here. You can also adjust the size of it over the screen. uh, go back here, and you have removed the picture by making touching a razor. So you can also see we have made the screen clear by touching the big razor, which we are going to use to make our screen clear. Next, we are also going to have shapes over here. We are having magnifier, and many such things here, scalings and raisings. You can look over here. Angles we can also put here. And further go to the top of the screen, and the second option besides that three dots is about sharing and minting link. So it means that we can make document here through this app and add this attachment to your document, and you can also share to your edited image here. It could be best used for mathematicians and could be best used for the physicists. As you can see over here, there are appearing many angles over the screen, and you can edit your diagrams best here to attach with your assignments. Now if you want to undo your editings, then just go to the top of the screen, and there are few arrows, half arrows, one on left side having head and one having head on right side. When it comes to the left headed arrow, you can go back to your editings. Now you can look over the screen that we have gone back. It is very back. Now if you want to go further, then click on the right headed arrow, and we have made further editings. So for saving it, just click on the home page button, and you can see your editings were saved in the app. They are going nowhere else. So that was an online app to be used. If you want online, then go and watch our more videos to get them, and you also have no need to get their premium to pay for them to use.